Yeah, Rick, it has been a long night of testimony. We're going into hour 6 now of this first day of trial. Now, Councilman Piagentini is accused of using his position here on the council to help land a $40 million grant in American Rescue Plan funding for the Healthcare CEO Council, which would eventually go on to become his employer. Now, the Louisville Metro Ethics Committee has already found Councilman Piagentini guilty of 6 counts of misconduct and recommended his removal from the council. The charging committee has also brought those same 6 charges and an additional 2 other charges, including perjury. Now, today, attorneys for both sides delivered their opening arguments. Piagentini recused himself from the final vote over those COVID dollars in November of 2022. But attorneys for the charging committee argued Piagentini had been working to get a job with the CEO Council for almost a year before that, while he was also working to move them through the application process for that funding. Attorney Kent Wicker showed the council, who is acting as a jury in this case, a timeline of Piagentini's alleged actions leading up to that vote. He said the council needs to find Piagentini guilty to send a message about how the council views misconduct.
What you do in this case will tell all your constituents and everyone in the community whether the members of this council can be trusted to hold each other accountable.
Now, Piagentini's attorneys said there were holes in the timeline the charging committee presented. He said Piagentini's conversations with the Healthcare CEO Council leading up to the vote were merely him networking with another healthcare executive, and no job offer was on the table until November 18th of 2022 before the vote.
If Councilman Piagentini had been leveraging his position on Metro Council to obtain a job with the CEOC for nearly a year, as they've claimed, then why would he give up that leverage and tell them he can't help them when, presumably, they needed him most?
Now, there was sort of a surprise move at the end of their opening arguments. Piagentini's attorneys presented a motion to consider essentially asking the council to forego a trial and go into executive committee tonight and make a decision on this case right away. That was ultimately denied. His attorneys also indicated they are going to advise the councilman to use his Fifth Amendment right now that the council charging committee has added the charge of perjury, which does carry some criminal weight to it. They did manage to call one witness tonight who remains on the stand and is still being questioned. Of course, more witnesses and the trial going to continue tomorrow night here at City Hall. Reporting live at City Hall tonight, Drew Gardner, WLKY News.
All right.